I just purchased 24 NFTs in the Kadena ecosystem, and I'm about to buy even more. Also, in this video, I will show you how you can get a free NFT in the Kadena ecosystem. This will be the first ever free mint on Kadena. And when I say free, I mean free. Literally 100% free, no gas fees whatsoever. All you literally have to do is have a wallet and be one of the lucky 1,000 people that gets to get a free mint. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. I will also have all the links to everything that I'm talking about right now in the description box below as well if you want to check it out. I believe Kadena and the entire ecosystem will perform extremely well in the long term, especially in the next bull run. So in my opinion, right now is definitely a good time to start stacking up on these NFTs, simply because they're dirt cheap and they're like one of the first ones to be launching on the Kadena ecosystem. As you guys know, a lot of the brand new projects that have that first mover advantage tend to perform extremely well in the market. For example, in meme coins, Doge performed extremely well. Shiba Inu performed extremely well, simply because they had the first mover advantage. And I believe getting in on these projects early is definitely a good way to make some money, especially when they're like $5, $10 a mint. In my opinion, it is definitely worth taking the risks. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly the projects that I minted and the free mint that is happening today that you can take full advantage of. Let's go. So now we are on the launchpad. It is called arcade.fun/mint. And as you can see, the KDA punks are live and you'll be able to mint them. Also, the Kadena Komodos are live as well. The pack rats will be live probably the next day or two, so stay tuned for those. I will be trying to mint some of these as well. And the lazy apes has already ended. It literally ended like 20 minutes before I started this video. So unfortunately, the people that want these will have to buy them on the secondary market. But let's check out the KDA punks. As you can see right now, the minting price is only 10 KDA. Which is around like $15, $16 at this time. They have a total of 3,388, and the total minted right now is 1,789. And then when we scroll down, you will see that 10 that I had minted. That is pretty much the max that you can have in your wallet, but I believe 10 is definitely a good number. We're also gonna go back and check out the Kadena Komodos. This one has a very smaller number, but it is around 20 Kadena to mint one. But the total amount is 1,500. They have minted 390 so far. And here are the 6 that I had minted. The images will show up in about 48 hours after you mint. That is why they're not showing up when I'm trying to show you guys. And the lazy apes, their price was only 5 KDA, which is like $7. They only minted 3,454 out of 5,555. And I was able to get my hands on 8 of them. I cannot wait to see what they look like, but I'm super excited for all these projects that are launching on Kadena. Also, I want to talk about the packed rats. There will be only 333 in total, which is a very small number. This project will go live probably in the next couple of days, so if you are interested, definitely keep your eyes on it. They only have 333, and I believe they're going to sell out really, really quickly. But one thing that I do want to mention about these NFT projects is that they come with risk, just like everything else in crypto. So please make sure you do your own research. A lot of the teams will not be doxxed, especially this early on. But personally, I am willing to take the risk, especially when the mint is like $5, $10. In my opinion, it is definitely worth it, and I'm willing to buy multiple of these NFTs. Even if some of them end up rug pulling, even if some of them end up going to zero, I believe getting in early on these projects can definitely pay off in the long term. Who knows, a $5, $10 investment in one of these NFTs, it could be worth $10,000 or $50,000 in the next bull run. Nobody knows. It is all about taking risk, losing money, and making money in the process. So if you are interested in minting these projects, you will need to download the X wallet that supports Kadena. Once you download that wallet, you can simply go on KuCoin, buy some KDA, and send it over to that wallet. And then you'll be ready to buy. And now let's talk about the first ever free mint on the Kadena ecosystem. Alright, so this NFT collection is called the Kadena Monster Punks. It will be a free mint. This is how the artwork looks like. Also guys, with this NFT, you'll be able to earn free passive income daily. They will be launching their KMP token, which every single day, if you are holding this NFT in your wallet, you will receive some KMP token, which in my opinion is definitely good. So you literally get the free NFT, then you get to make passive income daily. A win-win situation in my opinion. And here's more pictures of some of the artwork. Pixelated everything. We are not just an NFT product. We serve to focus on the future development of our KMP and build a strong creative community. Also, if you hold a Kadena Monster Punk, you'll be able to make decisions for the future of the community, pretty much like a DAO. And here's a quick look at the roadmap. They obviously have the debut, public mint, KMP, and then more KMP utilities such as staking and then other stuff that they are keeping a secret. Also, they will be releasing more information on the KMP airdrop, also the tokenomics and all of that stuff. So how do you get this free NFT? So the mint will go live on the Kadena launchpad. As you can see right now, here it is right here. Supply will be 1,000 and it is coming soon. But it is coming today, probably in the next like 6-7 hours. So definitely keep an eye out if you want to attempt to get this NFT. Also keep in mind, you have to have the X wallet in order to mint. But as soon as this goes live, you'll be able to mint it and you'll be able to get your free NFT. So that is how you can get the free mint. Also guys, I believe this is a great long-term strategy. There's going to be a lot of amazing projects launching on a ton of different ecosystems. In the Kadena ecosystem, in the Atom ecosystem, the Cardano ecosystem, a ton of other ecosystems. So I believe getting in on those projects can definitely be beneficial in the long term. So that is my plan. I'm trying to get in on a lot of these low cap gem projects that are launching in these ecosystems. And I'm hoping in the long term, they will pay off big time. All right, that is all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comment section below if you'll be scooping up any of these NFTs or if you are able to mint the free NFT. Let me know what you get in the comment section. If you have any questions, comment section as well. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. All the links will be in the description box below. See you in the next video. Peace out.